Do you think winter camping is just about surviving the freeze? Today, we're revealing 21 next-level gear and gadgets that turn snowy expeditions into 5-star retreats. We've sourced the most innovative tech for 2026, from high-performance heated apparel and smart-insulated pads to game-changing off-grid power solutions. Whether you're a seasoned mountaineer or a winter first-timer, these essential upgrades are designed to keep you warmer and safer than ever before. Let's dive into the list. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to give up comfort. The Kodiak canvas cabin tent proves that outdoor trips can feel solid, comfortable, and dependable in any season. Built with premium Hydra Shield 100% cotton duck canvas, a reinforced steel frame, and a spacious stand-up interior, it handles sun, rain, or snow with ease. It is used for family camping, hunting camps, and long stays where durability and comfort matter. The Hizynice sleeping bag is designed for campers who want warmth, space, and comfort. Cold nights can ruin a trip without proper insulation, and this bag keeps you cozy when temperatures drop. Featuring 100% cotton flannel double XL for adults big and tall, it's perfect for camping in 3 seasons and cold weather, offering reliable warmth, roomy comfort, and versatile use for camping, travel, and outdoor adventures. The Lvaiz winter beanie hat is a warm, versatile skull cap made for everyday winter wear. When cold wind hits, proper head protection is essential, and this warm fleece-lined skull cap for men. Reversible women windproof watch hat, knit warm, unisex beanie blocks wind while locking in heat. With a double-layer 2-in-1 design, it's ideal for indoor use, outdoor activities, commuting, sports, and daily winter comfort. Hot water can change how you experience the outdoors, and the Hike Crew Propane water heater makes that possible anywhere. This portable outdoor water heater with shower pump delivers instant hot water when camping, hiking, or glamping. Running on a propane gas tank, it heats water for showering, washing dishes, and cleaning hands. With a rechargeable system, LCD controls, and compact design, it's ideal for camping, fishing, hunting, vacations, and outdoor comfort on the go. Cold, wet weather can stop an adventure fast. The Tacvasen skiing snow pants are built to keep you moving. These fleece-lined, waterproof, winter-insulated hiking pants combine windproof, ripstop fabric with warm inner fleece for reliable protection outdoors. With adjustable waist, 3D-tailored knees, and 4 zipper pockets, they're made for skiing, snowboarding, hiking, hunting, fishing, outdoor work, training, and winter travel. Keeping your feet warm, dry, and supported is a must for any activity. The Anlisim wool ankle socks come in 6 pairs with thick cushioning, compression support, and breathable merino wool to regulate temperature and wick moisture. Designed for hiking, running, trekking, or outdoor work, they protect your feet with arch support, a cushioned sole, and a snug fit. Durable and versatile, they're perfect for year-round comfort and performance. Keep your tent cozy and protected no matter where you camp. Meet the Drymate Tent Carpet Mat, a waterproof, durable, and soft camping floor rug that keeps you warm and dry while adding comfort underfoot. Lightweight, trimmable, and easy to clean, it protects your tent from damage and can also serve as a picnic blanket or vehicle liner, perfect for enhancing any outdoor adventure. Enjoy hot meals and coffee quickly, even on the trail. The Jetboil Fast Boil Stove. Flash Java 1.0 liter combines a propane/isobutane burner with a 1-step auto ignition and silicone French press for fast, convenient cooking. With safe touch zones, an improved locking system, and lightning-fast boil times, it's perfect for camping and backpacking. Compact and lightweight, it packs efficiently into the cooking cup for easy transport and use. Stay prepared and enjoy your drinks anywhere with the Gritr Titanium Mug. Available in 15.2 fluid ounces and 25.4 fluid ounces, this ultralight durable cup is made from pure titanium, ensuring resilience and corrosion resistance. With a lid, folding handles, and a recessed bottom for stability, it's perfect for camping, backpacking, hiking, or picnics. Use it for coffee, tea, water, or even as a small cooking pot on outdoor adventures. Camp in comfort and safety, even in harsh weather. Meet the Pomoly Chalet Pro Hot Tent, a 2 or 3 person cabin tent made from 70D ripstop polyester with a 2,500mm waterproof rating. Featuring dual doors, side rain curtains, and a fireproof ground sheet, it ensures protection from rain, wind, and sparks from a stove. With sturdy aluminum poles and easy setup, it's ideal for hiking, backpacking, and winter camping adventures. Step into winter with confidence using the Nortiv 8 snow boots, essential for staying warm and dry in harsh conditions. These waterproof construction hiking winter snow boots feature waterproof material, windproof synthetic toe caps for anti-collision, and 200-gram high-quality insulation material to keep your feet comfortable. The removable insole with fluffy pile fabric absorbs moisture, while the insulated lining and durable slip-resistant rubber outsole make them perfect for daily winter life and outdoor sports like skiing, mountaineering, and cycling. Brave the cold with the Moerdeng ski jacket, designed for ultimate winter protection and comfort. This warm winter snow coat mountain windbreaker hooded raincoat is a waterproof, windproof snow ski jacket that also fights bad rainy or misty weather, keeping your body dry and comfortable. Featuring adjustable cuffs, windproof inner soft shell, professional waterproof coating, fluff lining, and durable fabric, its relaxed fit style with quick-dry material is perfect for downhill skiing, snowboarding, snow sports, and other winter outdoor activities. Brewing espresso on the go shouldn't be complicated. The Cafilas Espresso coffee maker is a fast, self-heating 2-in-1 extraction system espresso machine that supports ground coffee and NS capsules, perfect for travel, car, hiking, and climbing. Its upgraded 7,500 mAh battery heats water in just 3 or 4 minutes, brews more cups than similar machines, and delivers rich creamer with one-button operation, making it easy to enjoy espresso anywhere, anytime. Staying warm in cold weather shouldn't be a struggle. Meet HotHands body and hand warmers, long-lasting, natural, odorless, air-activated warmers that provide up to 18 hours of heat with 10 individual warmers per pack. These odorless, disposable, single-use items are TSA approved and easy to activate. Just shake to heat. Perfect for tailgating, outdoor sports, hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, yard work, jogging, or walking your pet. They keep your hands and body cozy anytime, anywhere. Lighting your path shouldn't slow you down. Introducing the Energizer LED Headlamp, a water-resistant headlamp and high-performance headlight for outdoors, camping, running, storm, and survival, offering a hands-free LED light for emergencies. With 2 Energizer Vision HD Plus LED headlamps, it delivers 260 lumens, an 80-meter beam distance, 3 modes, and dimming controls from 10% to 100%, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor activities, work, or emergencies. Staying warm on outdoor adventures shouldn't be uncomfortable. The Tanstrider sleeping bags are designed for adults for cold weather with a compression sack and serve as 4-season camping essentials gear for hiking, traveling, outdoor, and backpacking. With a draft collar, adjustable half-circle hood, saddle-shaped scarf, and soft, washed cotton lining, these XXL sleeping bags provide warmth, comfort, and space, making them perfect for camping, road trips, sleepovers, and outdoor adventures. Keep your hands cozy without sacrificing functionality this winter. The MCTi Winter Sherpa gloves are women warm for cold weather. Touchscreen fleece lining gloves with a snug yet soft fit that provides warmth and comfort, featuring faux suede palms for a non-slip grip, smart thumb and index fingers for touchscreen use, and a lightweight portable design. they're perfect for winter walking, shopping, shoveling, riding, or daily commutes, combining warmth, style, and practicality. Campy Gear Little Guy. Portable propane heater. Stay warm and cook effortlessly on your outdoor adventures with the Campy Gear propane heater. This 2-in-1 stove, outdoor camping gas stove, camp tent. Heater for ice fishing, backpacking, hiking, hunting, survival, and emergency combines cooking and heating in one portable design. With rapid 360-degree radiant heating up to 9,000 BTU, adjustable flame, and compatibility with various fuel canisters, it's perfect for camping, fishing, picnics, hunting, hiking, and traveling, keeping you comfortable and prepared in any situation. Carry your essentials comfortably on every adventure. The Teton internal frame. Backpack is perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, and travel, with a rain cover included. Featuring adjustable torso, open-cell foam lumbar pad, and molded channels for maximum comfort and airflow, plus multiple compartments, compression straps, and a hydration pocket. It's ideal for beginners or experienced backpackers, combining durability, organization, and reliable performance on every outdoor trip. Stay warm instantly, no matter the weather. Introducing the Maxoak Infrared Patio Heater, a 1,500-watt electric space heater with IP65, tip-over protection, and remote control, perfect for stand, wall, or ceiling mounting in bedrooms, balconies, courtyards, or garages. With 3-second rapid heating, 4 adjustable modes, a timer function, quiet operation, and a human body sensor, it delivers safe, durable, and reliable warmth for year-round indoor and outdoor use. Make every hike safer and more comfortable with the TrailBuddy foldable trekking poles. These ultralight aluminum, EVA, and cork grip collapsible hiking poles are lightweight adjustable walking sticks for men, women, seniors, and travel, featuring a compact foldable design for easy storage. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade aluminum with ergonomic cork and EVA grips, interchangeable tips, quick lever locks, and padded wrist straps, they provide all-terrain stability, joint support, and comfort for hiking, trekking, or daily walking adventures. That wraps up our 21 must-have winter gadgets. Hopefully, these picks help you reclaim the outdoors, even when the mercury drops. You can find links to all the gear featured today in the description below to check current prices and availability. If this guide helped you prep for your next Sub-Zero adventure, please hit that like button and subscribe for more high-tech gear reviews. Which of these is a total game changer for your kit? Let me know in the comments. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you on the trails.